This is our next project. 1996 XL Honda 250. Now, despite looking a little bit rough, it runs really well. Always starts, always stops, kind of. And what it needs is apparently the rear shock in there is all spongy, and I reckon that it's probably the seals in it have gone, because down there it's a little bit oily. Well, a little bit damp, it's not too bad. I think it's that. So we take out the shock somehow. And also he said occasionally the back brake sticks on. So you hit the pedal and the back brake comes on. So we'll check out the pads, maybe check the brake lines, master cylinder, check that. Maybe there's something wrong in here. Now, it's only done, according to the speedo, 19,000 k's, I think he said. I can't see that high. It's up on the stand. So, hasn't done a lot of k's. It's just been started up and ridden as they should be. There's a lot of surface rust. Depending on how we go, I've got it here for about 4 weeks, so I'll just check out the rear shock, the brake, fix up those, and what I might do is just start to sort of take it apart and have a bit of a clean up. We still aren't sure if we're gonna spruce it up back to shiny parts or not, but I don't think it would hurt that. You know, we just check it all out, have a look. Stuff like this is bent, that's alright, we can straighten that. Clean up some joints. And I don't think I'll bother painting the panels. I might touch that up, don't know yet. So good tear down and a clean, I think. Maybe just blast that, paint it. I reckon it might be alright. Got a toolbox there. Fix up that chain guard. You could just weld it up. Get the old MIG out, MIG welder. If I could weld the base up. Might even clean the chain, but I don't know about that. Yeah, this is broken. So he's had the chain off. The chain's come adrift and it's cracked that. So we'll try to fix up that gently. Maybe even clean the engine. So that's our plan for the next 3-4 weeks at least. Alright, stay tuned. So I've just taken the bike outside, given it a wash, degrease and that, and I've just come in and I've sprayed all the nuts and bolts that we're going to take apart, and I'll let that soak for a couple of days. It's going to be a bit hot today to do anything, so maybe just let that all soak away and that. So everything was pretty much rusted in, which is understandable, it's been used, so what the hell. Everything's there, it's all original bolts, so I'll be keeping those. I may just change the nuts on the engine bolts, but most of it I'll keep. They're all pretty good still. Nothing's been touched, so nothing's been stripped out, so happy about that. So we're all good. So we'll make a start in a few days and we'll see how we go. The first order is we check the back brake, and I think it's a simple thing of this adjustment. Very, very tight, so might be able to relieve some pressure there, because the back brake generally stays on for a while and that there, and after a while it'll kick out. But we'll fix up that, and then we'll take out that back shocky, find out why that's all spongy, see if I can take it apart, change a few seals maybe, I don't know, we'll see. But no, it'll be a fun build, fun. No great expense. What my plan is probably just to brush down the rust after the engine's out, brush down the rust, give it a coat of good primer, give it a coat of paint, maybe just a rattle can spray, and then maybe a clear coat of rattle can. I've used that in the past on a real small job, and that worked out pretty good. So that's our plan, just to clean up, touch up where we can. The rims look alright, back one's got a bend in it about there. I might just give that a great big whack, straighten out that maybe. So catch you all later.